Hello and welcome back to our channel where we share tips and insights on buying and owning a home in California. In this video, we will be discussing the process of buying a brand new home in California. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or you're simply looking to upgrade to a newly constructed home, this will provide you with the information you need to make informed decisions throughout the process. Hi, this is Tom Olszewski with Team Olszewski. Did you know that you can have an experienced agent help you out and guide you through the new home buying process? The salespeople at the new home builders can be very nice, but they do represent the home builder and not in your best interest. So make sure to bring your agent along with you when visiting new home builders. They can add information and insights to the process. There is no cost to you to have an experienced agent with you assisting and looking out for your best interest. So let's go through some of the steps. So first off, step one, determine your budget and financing options before starting your search for a brand new home in California. It's important to determine your budget and financing options. You'll want to take into consideration the cost of the home as well as any additional expenses such as property taxes, homeowners insurance, and closing costs. Research different financing options such as mortgage loans, down payment assistance programs, and grants to see what works best for your financial situation. You can also talk to an outside third-party lender and get an opinion there as well. Step two, research and visit new home communities online. Once you've determined your budget and financing options, it's time to start your search for a brand new home in California. Start by researching new home communities in the areas that you're interested in living in. Many home builders have websites that list their communities, floor plans, and pricing for you to take a look at. Visit the communities in person with your agent to see the homes and amenities and ask any questions you may have about the construction process, warranties, and available upgrades, as well as move-in times that can sometimes be critical. Step three, select and personalize your new home. Once you've found a new home community that you're interested in, it's time to select and personalize your new home. Most home builders offer a variety of floor plans and options to choose from, such as number of bedrooms, bathrooms, flooring, kitchen finishes, and other upgrades. Work with the builder's sales representative to select the options that fit your style and budget. Budget is very critical because what you see in the models looks great, but then you can't afford it, so you got to be careful. Step four, finalize the purchase. Once you've selected and personalized your new home, it's time to finalize the purchase. This involves signing a purchase agreement, submitting a deposit, and selecting a closing date if available. Sometimes that's assigned to you. You'll also need to work with a title company to conduct a title search and ensure that the property is free and clear of any liens or legal issues, and that will come through the escrow and the closing process. Step five, construction and move-in. Yahoo! After finalizing the purchase, the home builder will begin construction on your new home. Or maybe it's it's already built and closing can be quickly. During this time, you'll have the opportunity to visit the construction site and monitor the progress of your home. Once the construction is complete, you'll have a final walkthrough with the builder to ensure that everything is up to your satisfaction. After closing on the home, you'll receive the keys and then can move into your brand new home. Congratulations on taking the first step towards buying a brand new home in California. Remember to do your research, determine your budget and financing options, select and personalize your new home, finalize the purchase, and monitor the construction process. Also, you can reach out to your agent, and like myself, I have been through the new home process, so I'm glad to share my experience. With a little bit of patience and persistence, you'll be able to find your dream home and start creating new memories in no time. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, it's important who you work with.